Today, let's see how to install Python software, right? So if you want to install Python software, our first thing is we have to open a website called python.org. So open your browser, any browser, no problem. Then go forward and a website called python.org, right? So in this one, if you observe here, go for downloads. In downloads area, so download for Windows. This is the latest version. Python 3.11.4 is the very latest version. But remember, this version won't support it in where Windows 7 or older versions. So if you have Windows 10, okay, then go for what? Windows 8 or Windows 10 or any latest version you have, then go for what? Python 11.4. No, if you have Windows 7 only, still if you are using Windows 7, any old version, so select here Windows and then choose supported software, then download it. Okay, I just downloaded 3.10.9 instead of 3.11. Anything you can download, no problem at all. So download Windows installer. So my system is 64 bits, so I just download 64 Windows installer. Just click, then it is asking the location where to what store, then say that's it. Your software is going to download it. Once it is downloaded, then go to the downloads area. The next task is go to downloads area. Yeah, download area. Just a minute, guys. Yeah. So observe 3.10.9, the version already downloaded. Now simply what to do? Okay, simply what to do, just a minute. Yeah, just double click this option. Yes, run. Now install Python 3.10.9 64-bit, right? So here at below add Python exe to path. Not only this one, even you can download what 3.11 also, whatever this version it might be, the process is same. Now if you can choose for install. Now if you choose install, what happen, by default it will store C drive users Venkat Reddy folder, something, some other folder. No, I don't want to store there. I want to store in my personal location. Then customize location. Before click on customize location, give this option as a check mark, add python.exe to the path, then click customize installation, and then go for next option and install. Before clicking install, where you want to install the location, just go for location. Okay, so browse in the browse area. Yes, in your PC, which location you want to install that location. In the education folder, I just create your folder, guys. This is my system folder, so your folder, just create one folder in your drive. I just give name as what Python software. My requirement is what I just want to store my software in this particular folder. I created my own location. So if you are not done, it will show in the default location, but my target is what I want to store in my own location. There's a reason I mentioned this one. Click on what install. Now it is going to install. So just wait to finish this one. Once it is done, automatically you will get a message what yeah, your software was installed successfully. Your software is installed successfully. There's a message, you will get it. Now see, I got the message what setup was successfully done. That means your Python software is installed. Your Python software is installed. Now, once your Python software is installed, then in order to work with the Python software, so simply in the start button, type IDLE. In the start here, type what IDLE. So when you start IDLE, then you will get IDLE, Integrated Development Learning Environment. Integrated Development Learning Environment. So go to your IDLE, select IDLE, whatever the version it might be. This is the common process, guys. Okay, then you will get IDLE like this. See, whenever you're working with your Python, okay, there the two modes are there. In order to work with Python, we have two modes. One is called what? Interactive mode. One is called interactive mode. Then second one is called script mode. We have two modes available. One is called interactive mode. Second one is called script mode, guys. Interactive mode, in interactive mode, what happened? For every command, we are going to get what my response. That means here for one line, if you type now, then we'll go what immediate response. But if you have a group of lines, then go for what script mode. Generally, script mode when to use in the sense if you have group of lines. Group of lines are available, then go for what script mode. So line to line or line to line if you want communication, line to line if you need execution, then go for interactive mode, right? So let's see the process. Okay, open you here. So for example, in the Python, if you want to print anything, we have to use print function, print of hi. So within the double quotation or within the single quotation, whatever you wrote, yes, you are going to get as it is as a answer. Ma. Within double quotation or within single quotation, whatever you wrote, as it is, we are going to get answer. Enter. Hi. Now print even single quotation also. Hi. Okay. So anything if you write within single quotation or double quotation, even if I write observe within single quotation or within double quotation, anything you wrote, you will get as it is. Observe. I wrote 2 plus 3, so I got what 2 plus 3. Now, if you need to perform any operation, then you are going to get what the result. For example, 2 plus 3 I wrote, then you are going to get what 5 as the answer. 2 plus 3, 5 is the result, right? So I within if you want to display any message as it is within the double quotation or within the single quotation, you have to do it within the double quotation or within the single quotation. Fine. No, if you want to perform operation, then directly you can go forward, print that expression. Right. This is for every line, immediately we are getting the response. This is called interactive mode. No, I want what script mode. Like I have a group of lines, all lines I want to execute at a time. Then go to file, new file. In the new file, observe here you can write your code. Print. Okay. Welcome to print. Welcome to Venkat Reddy tutorials. Right now, thank you. Now I wrote 3 lines, some code I wrote, then just click on run module, okay, then save the file. In order to save, I created one folder here in my location, programs, my own folder. Here I gave name as what example1, and by default, all Python files, the extension is .py, save it. We got the answer right. So there are the two modes. One is called interactive mode, where for every line we are getting response. Second one is what? Your script mode. That means we have to write a small piece of the code, then go to run option. First save it, then go to run option, go for run model. Then your program is executed. This is the way we have to work with what? Your Python software, guys. This is the just basic, right? Thank you, guys.